Hi everyone, welcome back to Zuri and thank you for joining us in another episode. My name is Jamie and today my Zuri sisters and I will be talking about all things moisture. Moisture is key to having healthy, strong, bouncy, juicy curls and preventing any breakage, split ends, or any dry or dullness. So once you've figured out your hair type and your hair porosity, this will give you a guideline on what products to use, how to use those products, and how to seal in all that good moisture. So the first step in moisturizing your hair is water. So this includes your leave-ins, your deep conditioners, or your curl creams. Always make sure that the first product on the ingredient list is water. Oils are also great products to add to your hair routine, and these can act as moisturizers or sealants. So it's really important that you know the type of oil that you're using and what it's intended to do. So your moisturizing oils, these consist of coconut oil, olive oil, and many others, but these are able to penetrate the hair shaft and moisturize the strand. Your sealing oils create a barrier on the hair shaft, and this prevents any moisture from getting in or out of the hair shaft. So examples of these would be grapeseed oil or castor oil. So another product that can be used to moisturize and seal are hair butters. So these are made of a blend of natural oils with unrefined butters, and these act as moisturizing sealants. So it's really important that you understand how to use sealing products and that it comes after you moisturize your hair. So using these products, how you use them and the sequence in which you use them depends on your hair type and your hair porosity. We commonly use the LOC or the LCO method. So stay tuned and my Zuri sisters will explain more on this.
Hi guys, it's me again. So this week is all about moisturizing. I've now realized that moisture is key, guys, especially with transitioning hair. I found that my hair tends to dry often, so now I keep my hair moisturized. Guys, moisture is key. I've washed my hair. I've made sure that my scalp is nice and clean. I've put on some deep conditioner and I've kept it on for about 45 minutes. As you can see, I've rinsed it all out. But wait guys, I need to show you something. The growth is real. Can you see the growth? I'm so excited. Okay, sorry. So what I'm going to show you now is how I moisturize my hair. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've sectioned out my hair. I like to work in sections so I make sure that I cover every part of my head. So when I moisturize my hair, I follow the LOC method. So now I'm going to do the L method, and I've got my leave-in condition. Yes guys, I'm very generous. I like to make sure that my hair, every part of my hair is covered in product to make sure that it's protected, right? So I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner. I'll start from the ends, work my way up. Even though my ends is processed hair, I still like to look after it. Oh guys, so as you can see, my leave-in conditioner is nicely applied to my hair. Now I'm going to do the O, which is the oil. I like to use a nice mixture of oils, and I just love how it makes my hair feel. So I'm going in with the oil. Oh guys, I love just how the oil moisturizes my hair and makes my hair feel so soft. The oil, right? So now it's the next step, which is the C for cream. I'm gonna apply my cream now, just to seal in the leave-in conditioner as well as to seal in the oil so that all that moisture can just be locked in my hair. Of my head, as you can see, it's all moisturized now. So yes, that is my routine on wash day. That is how I moisturize my transitioning hair. So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put it in a protector style and leave it for the rest of the week, and then I will moisturize it when needed. So yes guys, please let me know how you moisturize your transitioning hair. I'd really like to know. Don't forget, moisture is key.
Hi guys, it's Kaylee. So moisture is extremely, and I mean extremely important for your hair. I have a medium hair porosity. This just means that my hair absorbs moisture easily and it retains the moisture. But I have an extremely dry scalp. So I have to do lots of pre-poos, lots of apple cider vinegar rinses, just to keep my scalp from flaking out, because it gets really bad. I can wash my hair today and then I'll part my hair to style it and the flakes it's ridiculous. So I have to do lots of pre-poos, especially if I'm using shampoo that day. Then I have to pre-poo. And apple cider vinegar rinses are my best friend because they make my hair shiny and also take away those flakes on my scalp. But yeah, if you guys have any advice for that for my scalp, it's rough out here, please just drop them in the comments. But to moisturize my hair, I do weekly deep conditions just to keep the moisture in. I'll do a protein treatment now and then, just depending on my hair, but deep conditions, especially moisturizing ones, usually I do use the LCO method because I prefer to put on my oil after all my creams, just so I feel like it seals in the moisture really well. So yes, that's how I moisturize my hair, guys. Stay tuned and
what's up naturals, I'm Liesl and I'll be taking you through how I moisturize my high porosity hair. So because my hair struggles to retain moisture, I find that the LCO method works best for me. So here are the steps I follow for the LCO method. So I've just finished washing my hair and I find that when I'm applying the LCO method, it works best when my hair is wet. So I'm going to start off by just drying out all the excess moisture, and I use a cotton t-shirt for that because I don't have one of those microfiber towels. So I'm just scrunching all the excess moisture out of my hair. Now that I've got all the excess moisture out of my hair, I apply leave-in conditioner. And I make sure that I'm very generous and I get those ends as well, because my ends are very dry, so I make sure that I've got enough leave-in conditioner throughout my head. So now that I've got my leave-in conditioner in, the next step is to use a cream or butter. So I'm going to apply some of this just to make sure that all that leave-in conditioner stays in. My final step is to use an oil. So I like to use a penetrating oil like coconut oil, but then I also use a sealing oil like almond oil. So what I've got is a combination of both. So I'm going to use a bit of oil and then just seal it all in. Okay guys, so I'm done with my LCO. Those are the 3 steps. What I would do from here is just put it into a protective style. Because it's lockdown, I'm just going to do 2 simple braids, and that will be me. I'll be all good for the week.
What's up, natural sisters? It's your kinky coily girl, Robin. So from the title of this video, it's all about moisturizing in our crowns. I'm a low porosity hair girl, and my hair cuticles are tightly shut. Low porosity is very stubborn. So to get moisture in is key for me. My first focus is opening up my hair cuticles so that all the products can get through. So how do I do this? By using heat or warmth. Firstly, when I detangle or pre-poo my hair, I usually spritz my hair with some warm water. Remember, water is moisture. I then use oils. I like light oils such as almond oil or avocado oil. I then make sure my oils are nice and warm. I slap some cling on and let it do its thing. I then wash my hair with warm water, not hot, warm water. I use a cleanser with a high pH balance. Cleansers with a high pH balance also allow the hair cuticles to open up, such as African black soap or bentonite clay. I deep condition my hair with a moisturizing, penetrating deep conditioner. You can either sit under a steamer or use a steaming cap once you've deep conditioned, whatever suits you. I then moisturize my hair. I always moisturize my hair on damp hair because this allows the added moisture to wiggle its way through the hair cuticles. I follow the LC liquid cream or the LO liquid oil method. It just depends what products I have around and, the budget. I apply my leave-in conditioner and then my butter or my oil. To avoid product buildup, I moisturize my hair every 2nd or 3rd day. It just depends on how low my moisture levels are. So as a low porosity hair girl, in order to absorb and retain moisture, it's important to use warmth or heat, to use light oils and butters, and to also use products with humectants, such as glycerine, aloe vera, or honey, as humectants absorb moisture from the environment into our hair. So that is how I moisturize my 4C low porosity hair. Don't forget to love your waves, your curls, and your kinks.